Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide columns and rows in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and want to focus on specific information without deleting any data. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your Workspace dashboard smoothly. This is where all your Google Sheets files are stored and managed. Once you're logged in and on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the spreadsheet where you want to hide columns and rows. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This will bring you into the editing view where you can make all the changes you need. Now, let's start with hiding columns. To hide a single column, click on the column header to select it. Once it's highlighted, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Hide Column. The column will immediately disappear from view, but don't worry, it's still there in your spreadsheet, just hidden from sight. If you need to hide multiple columns at once, click on the first column header, then hold down your mouse button and drag across to select additional columns. Once you've selected all the columns you want to hide, right-click on any of the selected column headers and click Hide Columns. This method saves you time when you're working with larger spreadsheets and need to hide several columns at once. Now let's move on to hiding rows. The process is very similar to hiding columns. Start by clicking on the row number on the left side of your spreadsheet to select it, then right-click on that row number. From the menu that appears, click Hide Row. The row will be hidden instantly, keeping your spreadsheet cleaner and more focused on the data you actually need to see right now. Just like with columns, you can also hide multiple rows simultaneously. Click on the first row number, then drag down to select as many rows as you need. Once they're all selected, right-click on any of the selected row numbers and click Hide Row. All of those rows will be hidden in one go, making it much easier to manage large amounts of data. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide both columns and rows in Google Sheets, giving you better control over how you view and work with your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.